लखनऊ के सरोजनी नगर से बीजेपी विधायक डॉक्टर राजेश्वर सिंह ने भावी वकीलों को संबोधित करते हुए कहा कि किसी की सफलता और उपलब्धियां तब और भी बड़ी हो जाती है जब वो समाज के लिए एक बड़ा उद्देश्य पूरा करता है। उन्होंने कहा कि निस्वार्थ सेवा से मिलने वाली संतुष्टि सबसे बड़ी होती है। स्कूलों में कानूनी शिक्षा अनिवार्य होनी चाहिए और प्रत्येक युवाओं को कानूनों, अधिकारों और कर्तव्यों का बुनियादी ज्ञान होना चाहिए।
Very important. It is the most important part to be self-satisfied, and the satisfaction which one gets, as Professor Amarpal has pointed out, by giving service to the nation, by giving service to the unequal, by giving service to the poor. You may become top lawyers. I also practice law. We may become the topmost lawyers, but the satisfaction you get when you help a poor get justice, I think that words cannot explain. I am into politics and I realize these things every day, what type of inequality prevails in our country and how much we have to do. That is unthinkable, and I am so grateful that Pro Bono Club has organized such a thing, and I can assure you that I'll also like to be a part of it always, and whatever help is needed, whatever in the form of whatever resources are needed, we are always there to do. Everybody should know what are the basic rights, what are the basic duties, and what are the basic laws. What happens when a student completes its 12th class and goes to university? He is exposed. So my thinking is, as a police officer, I was in police for 10 years, spent a lot of time. So I used to see children, they are not aware about the rights. What happens? They don't know what are the offences under Motor Vehicles Act, what are the offences, minor offences under NDPS Act, what are the minor offences under Copyrights Act. So they commit a mistake, and the problem is these days the investigation is so scientific that after committing an offence you cannot get out of it. So I have always tried, I have been trying that legal study should be made a mandatory subject in all the schools. I think in the times to come, if all degree colleges, all universities and all these different boards across the India have this legal studies in class 10th or 12th, if they come up with a chapter or if they come up with a separate course altogether, it can be one of the subjects that is going to help India a lot. So one should always participate in uplifting the community. That gives you the maximum self-satisfaction, as I earlier pointed out.